E weche mamoko en ni jatend piny William Ruto kod jatend piny Zimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa ne otimo romo moriwo jotend pinje mag Afrika ma Ugwe kod riwruok pinje mantiere milambo mar pinje Afrika SADC kama ne gitwak e wi yore makelo kwe e piny Kongo. E romono manotim e yor mbui, jotelogo noyiero manen jatend piny Botswana Dr. Mokgweetsi Eric Kabetswe Masisi mabiro riwore gi komiti ma ji mamoko 5 mabiro manyo yore makelo kwe e piny Kongo. Ji mamoko mabiro bede apudno gin kaka jatend piny machon ma Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo, jatend piny Kenya machon Uhuru Kenyatta, manen jatend piny makojolo ma Central African Republic Catherine Samba-Panza, manen jatend piny Ethiopia Swaleh Work-Zewde, ka jatend piny go owinjore mar duoko kwe pinyno.
That has been rolled out and the cooperation and collaboration which have enabled us to jointly steer this initiative over the past 8 months. I also extend my gratitude to Your Excellencies, Heads of State, for the bold steps taken by the EAC and SADC to join hands with our sister country, the Democratic Republic of Congo, in the journey towards restoring peace in its eastern region. Excellencies, President Mnangagwa and I strongly believe that a sustained, coordinated, Africa-led peace process remains the surest path to a stable and peaceful Eastern DRC and region. Today's joint summit should provide the impetus and the necessary steps for the joint AU-EAC SADC mediation process on Eastern DRC to commence operations without delay, with a view to restoring peace and stability